Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best window plastic is probably one of the most effective ways to significantly reduce your energy bills and keep your home warm during winter. And in this video, I will share my top picks for the best window insulation kits currently available on the market, comparing their features, ease of installation, and overall effectiveness in preventing heat loss through your windows, helping you choose the perfect solution to keep your home cozy and energy efficient all winter long. Number 5. Duck Brand Window Shrink Film Kit. This winter, keep the cold out and the warmth in. It's easy to install and makes a big difference. You'll barely notice it's there. It's completely transparent, maintaining your view while blocking drafts. Everything you need is in one convenient kit. It includes enough film and double-sided tape to cover 10 windows. This kit is designed for easy application. You'll be saving energy in no time. It's perfect for insulating your home and saving money on your energy bills. Enjoy a warmer, more comfortable winter. It helps increase energy efficiency, making it a smart and eco-conscious choice for your home. What we like. It's perfect for insulating multiple windows in your home. If you're looking for an affordable way to improve your home's energy efficiency, this is a great option. This kit is easy to install and provides a crystal clear view, so you won't sacrifice light for warmth. What people say. Get your hairdryer ahead of time. Clean and dry the areas to be sealed. If you are doing an old-fashioned door with a checkered equals pattern window, like me, measure cut to leave enough extra to seal over the grill, cross pieces on the glass. I just covered my windows on the front and back door that have the glass checkerboard panes. I had to cut the tape into 12 pieces. With this type of application, the tape had to go on the glass instead of the sill, because the sill is about 50 years old, and if I rip off the paint, there is gonna be hell to pay. No worries. It worked on the glass and the draft stopped immediately. We covered 8 upstairs windows, 2 bedrooms, a bath, and a hallway, 1 dining room window, and a guest room window. The drafts are gone and we went from 66-67 in the upstairs bedrooms, with the thermostat set to 72 F downstairs to try to get enough heat into those bedrooms, to 70-71 F upstairs, without the chilly drafts. That was in sub-zero temps outside. These window covers are obviously keeping the cold air out and the warm air in. We can reduce the thermostat a bit and the furnace won't run so much. Easy to use, very effective, keeps room warm, also helps with road noise. Number 4. Frost King V73 Window Kit. This kit provides a simple solution for insulating your windows during colder months. It's highly durable and easy to install, offering great value for your home. Installation is a breeze. Just follow the simple instructions and you'll have a snug, energy-efficient seal in minutes. It's built to last. The high-quality materials ensure it withstands the test of time, providing reliable insulation season after season. Remember to remove it during warmer months to allow for ventilation. Sunlight and regular stress can affect its lifespan. For best results, consider reapplying it every year. This ensures a consistently strong seal and maximum energy savings. This product is manufactured to high standards in China, ensuring quality and affordability. What we like. This product is a cost-effective solution for insulating your windows. If you need a durable and easy-to-use window insulation kit, this is a great choice. It's highly durable and easy to install, making it a practical option for budget-conscious consumers. What people say. Used to diminish cold and wind. When used correctly, you will see a difference. Easy to use, but take your time for a pristine look. So the functionality of the product is good. It does in fact keep the draft out. The directions were easy to follow and installation was not difficult at all. They fit our windows well, considering some are longer than the average. We were able to do 10 windows in less than an hour. Can barely notice the covering is there. Thick and does reduce drafts. Number 3. Xpose Safety Better Blue Tarp. This lightweight yet durable tarp offers superior protection for all your valuable items. It's perfect for a variety of uses, both indoors and outdoors. Made from 5 mil thick polyethylene, it's tough enough to withstand even the harshest weather conditions. You can confidently use it to protect your equipment and belongings. Heavy rain, snow, or sun. It will keep your items safe and dry, no matter the weather. It's the ultimate shield for your valuables. From covering cars and boats to protecting furniture and construction sites, it's adaptable to many situations. Its multiple sizes mean you'll find the perfect fit for your needs. Reinforced hems and rust-proof grommets add extra strength and longevity. It's built to last, providing reliable protection for years to come. This tarp is UV treated and shrink-proof, ensuring it maintains its strength and integrity even under prolonged sun exposure. It's designed for long-term use and reliable performance. What we like? It's incredibly versatile and can be used for various purposes beyond window insulation. If you need a heavy-duty, waterproof cover for outdoor use, this is the right choice. Its durability and versatility make it suitable for a wide range of applications. What people say. I have purchased this tarp before and decided to order it again because I have found it easy to use. It's not especially large or thick, but that makes it easy to use and fold. General purpose solid tarp, the material feels pretty solid, and it is doing great in rain and wind. Just what I was looking for. It covered my eating area at my camping site perfectly. Number 2. Magnetic door curtain. It blocks summer heat and keeps the cool air inside. This saves energy and lowers your electricity bills. It features a hands-free, magnetic closure. It opens and closes silently, making it perfect for families with kids and pets. Made from high-quality, non-toxic EVA plastic. It's durable, washable, and lets in natural light while maintaining privacy. Installation takes just minutes and requires no tools. Extra push pins are included for added stability. It fits doors up to 72 by 80 inches. Use it in air-conditioned rooms, living areas, or any door you want to keep insulated. This versatile curtain is ideal for French doors, patio doors, and more. Measure your door before ordering to ensure a perfect fit. What we like? This door curtain offers a convenient and eco-friendly way to insulate your doors. If you're looking for a hassle-free installation and a stylish solution, this is for you. The magnetic closure makes it easy to use, and the eco-friendly material is a bonus. What people say. This item is allowing us to keep our back door open so our dogs can run in to get cool, while helping us save money and energy. Easy to install. The curtain is attractive, sets up very easily via the sticky Velcro tape, and it closes perfectly when you exit and enter the room. The material is a PVC plastic and is very thick and durable. The magnets are aligned correctly to open and close when you walk through, no having to pull it closed after you. It provides privacy, warmth, and keeps smells in the bathroom. Number 1. Duck 286218 Patio Door Shrink Film. Say goodbye to expensive heating bills. This kit helps seal out drafts and cold air, keeping your home warm and cozy all winter long. It's so clear, you'll hardly notice it's there. The film creates an invisible barrier against cold air, maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature. It includes everything you need for a quick and easy installation. Just follow the simple instructions and you'll be saving energy in no time. This kit is perfect for extra-large windows and patio doors. It provides comprehensive insulation, sealing out drafts effectively. It helps you save energy and money while reducing your carbon footprint. It's a smart and sustainable way to keep your home warm. The kit contains a generous amount of crystal-clear shrink film and plenty of double-sided tape to ensure a secure and effective seal. What we like? It's designed specifically for large windows or patio doors. If you have a large window or patio door that needs insulation, this is your best bet. It's easy to apply and provides a crystal-clear view, ensuring you don't compromise on light. What people say. These kits work amazing. I did them all by myself, but I would not suggest this for the patio plastic kit. It was very difficult. Our house is not feeling drafty like it was the past years, and there's no cold emitting from the windows. Size was more than enough, not very thick but was very effective. Strength was good. Insulation was very effective and no hot air hot in. Peeling is easy as well. The duck film stays smooth and tight once heat shrinked in and stay clear. Also, the sticky tape comes off easily at the end of winter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.